Good day, mga amigo, mga amiga. So today we are going to we're having an experiment. We have purchased this Epson 3216 from authorized reseller from Lazada, and today we are going to replace the original dye ink with pigment ink from Koyo. Please take note, the moment you do this, you are going to void the warranty from Epson. So, do this at your own risk. Okay, reason being, we changed the dye ink to pigment ink. It's because uh, for a few advantages like the quality is better, it's cheaper, and also it's water resistant. Later on, we're going to have some test print between dye ink and pigment ink. If everything will goes as planned, okay? Because the moment you do this, there's no guarantee that this thing will work. So again, do this at your own risk. Okay? So without further ado, let's open this up. Okay. Standard USB cable, CD. I don't know. I don't know why Epson still using this CD. Should be environmental friendly. Okay, Epson. Right. Okay. Um, this this printer is very pretty. It's white. Okay. So yeah, the original dye ink. We have CMYK, yellow, magenta, cyan, and black. Okay. We have this Epson, the standard cable. Let's remove this thing. Wait. Okay, so what we're going to do is we have purchased this pigment ink from Kui, and we're going to um, put this one into uh, Epson bottle so that it would be easier to re- um refill the ink. Previously, we have purchased, or earlier today, we have purchased the supposedly syringe, but we realized we have some extra or unused bottle. So we're going to reuse this one. We are going to pour this ink from Koi uh, to the Epson bottle. Okay, so yeah, what color is this? All right, black Nimino. Oh. Mm. Mm. Eh? That. Okay. Okay. So we have transferred all the ink to the Epson bottle. Now we are going to pour this one into the printer. Okay. So let's pour the ink to the printer. First is, what is this? Black. Okay, black. So better if you have some extra bottle, it will be easier than using a syringe. Okay. Next is yellow. Where is the yellow? Okay. And next is magenta. And the last one is cyan. Okay, so we have filled it up. Now let's power this on. Okay, let me grab the cable. So now we have filled all the ink. Let's power this on. Okay, so this might take a while. So I'm going to fast forward this process. Oh, oh, as you can see, this one, the power button is blinking. The printer is initializing. So now, um, let us press this button for 5 seconds for the printer to charge ink. Okay, this will take about 10 to 15 minutes. So let me get back to you on this. Okay, now the printer initialization has been completed. Okay, so let's do some test print. Okay, so let's turn off the printer. And then you press this button and then press the power button. Once the printer is on, then okay, the printing looks to be good. So what we're going to do is we're going to use my computer to print some pictures. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to print some pictures, picture coming from my laptop. First is I'm going to print using my Epson 3250 with the original ink using the dye ink. Okay, so let me print this one, and at the same time I'm going to print also from this Epson 3216 with uh, pigment ink. Okay, so this one change to 3250. Okay, so this is from my 3216. So this is for my 3216 using pigment ink, and this one is for my 3250 using dye. Okay, so the way I look at it, there's not very visible ink. Uh, so the way I look at it, I think the pigment ink is brighter. I mean, the color is really there, especially the yellow or the gold. Okay. The black, I think from the dye ink, I think the black is very very clear compared to the pigment ink. But here the yellow is very bright. Here is a bit pale. The blue is also here is very very bright. I mean, this one blue is brighter than. I mean, from the pigment ink, blue is brighter compared to the dye ink. So what we're going to do is let's try to pour some, or let's try to splash some water on these two printer, this two output, and let's see if what will happen, because the original intention, I mean, my original intention of replacing the dye ink to pigment ink is it's because of some review they are saying that this is splash or water resistant. Okay, so let's have some water on the 3216. Oh, pigment, pigment ink. Uh, okay, so it doesn't smudge. The way I look at it, see if this one is clear on your side. And now let's go to the dye ink printed. So as you can see straight away the letters, it's smudge using the dye ink. I think it's, I don't know, check. Let me see if you can see it clearly compared to the pigment ink. Yeah. Okay. Let me try to use my finger here. It doesn't smudge. And here, using the dye ink, yeah, as you can see, the letters now. Okay. Yeah. So this is the reason why we are using this pigment ink, replacing the original dye ink. But again, this one doesn't guarantee that this one will last for long. So the risk is yours if you are going to replace the original dye ink with pigment ink. Please take note that I am using a third party ink on this particular printer, and if something will goes wrong again, I cannot claim for warranty from Epson. So I think that's all for now, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and so that you'll be updated with the latest video that I'm going to make. It's either IT printing or anything IT related. So that's all for now. Thank you and bye bye.